walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah, we are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Tightly around your head and breathe normally. Place your own mask first before assisting others under your care. Your life is swung under your feet on water landing. Remove sharp objects from your body. Split this overhead. Take the tape around your waist. Push ends to buckle and pull weight tape to tighten. At the exit before you leave the aircraft, pull down sharply the red cap at the lower end to inflate life vest. If the life vest fails to inflate, throw into the oil to push pin inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The light will automatically activate when the battery is immersed in water. And here's the whistle to attract attention. Evacuation sleds are located at all exits. Please note where the emergency exits on the aircraft are located. They're being pointed out to you now. Bearing in mind that the nearest exit may be behind you. During evacuation, leave behind luggage. If smoke is present, please keep low and follow the path right to the nearest exit as indicated. A copy of this safety information card is in your seat pocket. Please read it carefully. Passengers seated next to emergency exit are requested to study the operation of these exits in the safety card. Should the need arise, there are fire extinguishers inside this aircraft. Operation of this device is located in the equipment itself. As this is a non-smoking flight, please do not smoke to the wall of the flight. Smoking and using the toilet will activate the smoke alarm. Tampering the smoke detector is punishable in law. Thank you for your attention. This is an important announcement as an added safety measure in light of us wearing face masks on board. We would like to emphasize that in the unlikely case of cabin pressure loss, you must remove your face mask before using cabin oxygen mask. And the headband must be securely placed around your head for a strong speed. Oxygen flow will start from mask hold. Please note, it is normal for the oxygen bag not to be fully inflated after the activation. Isang mahalagang paalala kaugnay ng pagsuot ng face mask sakaling mawala ng cabin pressure. Tanggalin muna niyo yung face mask bago isuot ang cabin oxygen mask.